When you install Windows 10 inside VMware Workstation, the next logical step is installing VMware Tools to get better graphics, smoother mouse control, and proper copy-paste integration. But sometimes, instead of installing normally, VMware throws a strange message saying the update server could not be resolved and asking you to check your internet settings. This message confuses people because the internet inside the virtual machine is usually working perfectly. The real issue isn't your connection at all. It's VMware trying to fetch VMware Tools from their online update server instead of using the built-in offline ISO that normally ships with Workstation. When that online check fails, you get stuck, even though you shouldn't. To fix this, we simply bypass VMware's online check and manually mount the VMware Tools ISO. This method works on every version of VMware Workstation and doesn't rely on any online server. The process is simple. Download the official VMware Tools ISO from VMware's repository. Attach it to the virtual machine through the CD/DVD settings. Once the ISO is mounted, Windows detects it as a virtual DVD, and you can open it from this PC and launch the setup for VMware Tools. After a quick installation and a reboot, all the missing features, drag and drop, proper graphics, smooth cursor, and better performance, come alive instantly. This manual approach avoids the annoying error completely, and it gives you full control. Whether VMware's update server is down, blocked, or slow, your installation will always work reliably. It's simple, it's offline, and it's exactly what you need when VMware refuses to cooperate. And that wraps up the fix for the VMware Tools installation error. Once you switch to the manual ISO method, the whole process becomes smooth and predictable, without relying on any online update servers. Your VM gets full performance, proper graphics, and all the features you expect. If this guide helped you out, make sure to stay tuned for more practical tutorials and troubleshooting videos. This is Yasir from TechSolutionZ signing off. See you in the next one.